Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to all my dear students. Welcome to AIMS Online Education Center. Some of my students are asking about what is meant by data cooking. Data cooking, when if I before proceeding the topic, I will give you an example about what is meant by cooking. Cooking is a very, very vast field, as you know. If you do not cook your food, you cannot eat food. So, hence, it is the same terminology used for your research. What is meant by data cooking? So, whenever your data is not cooked, how you can uh, conclude your results, right? So, it is necessary to cook your data, like you cook your food before it. Okay, so I will show you what is meant by data cooking and how you do data cooking, right? What is meant by data cooking? Data cooking means basically falsification and fabrication of your data. Falsification, there are some loophole in your data. Basically, these are not created by you. Whenever we are doing quantitative search, basically quantitative search, service search, where people of due to some their business, they cannot properly read the statement and just mark the irrelevant option. So these create falsification and fabrication of your data, and these fabrication or falsification create a loophole of your data, and unfortunately we will move toward the data cooking, right? And now every scientific research is somehow cook the data, which we are sure these results are not good for our data, and they might disturb our hypothesis, not hypothesis, they destroy that result, right? It is also called data falsification, data fabrication, cherry picking, and data rigging, right? So these things happen due to participants who are filling the questionnaire, their carelessness affect your data falsification. So you to before proceeding to data analysis, you must cook your data first, right? What is the use of data cooking? It is used the data manipulation, which means the data itself might be correct, but the certain of picking points and twisting the data to make look like some means something different in order to support your hypothesis is unethical. Some questions, some negative question, if the participant is noted, I will give you an example. If a teacher choose an option, I will come late to class early, and he opt the option strongly agree, then that means a teacher cannot do, right? So how can you they opt? Because they do not study. They are due to their busyness, they opt wrong question, right? So it might consider an issue. Why every teacher, if hundred of teachers, thousand of teachers click strongly agree, I come to late in class, right? So this is create a loophole in your research. Your research is going to unethical. You are against the teachers. Some point that they, whenever the research is conducted, the result open, and they might be unethical. They case on you. So it is necessary to cook your data before going to out point of before proceeding unethical research, right? So there is no chance of unethical research. As I teach you in the chapter of ethical research, what are the ethical points, right? You do not harm anything when you are conducting any type of research, right? So here is data cooking, use of data cooking, and if you are like my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you have any other question, go in the comment section and write. In the next video, I will show you how to cook your data, right? So stay connected. Hope hope so you are connected in my next video. See you soon. Bye.